Today we've been discussing one of the most important issues for us in Wales at the moment, and that's the future of the structural funds, the money that Wales gets from Europe. And West Wales and the Valleys in particular receive a huge amount of funding at the moment, and we're talking about what's going to happen in the years to come. And of course, the local authorities play a crucial role in this, and the local authorities in Wales have been lobbying very hard. And Lowry Gwilym from the Local Government Association has been with us here today making a presentation in our seminar on not only how important it is for Wales, but how we can work together with other countries and regions. And I'm pleased to say that once again we've had a translation here not only in the official European languages in the Parliament, but also translation from Welsh. And so Lowry was able to make her presentation in Welsh. What do we need to be doing? Why is this so crucial for Wales?
Today was a good opportunity for us to raise the profile of the role of the local and regional government in cohesion policy, and it was a good example of sharing good practice with other regions and local areas across the European Union as we enter into the crucial lobbying period now for the future funding, which is so important to Wales at the moment in terms of making sure we do maximise the funds from the European cohesion policy following 2013. We still need that investment. Is crucial for Wales that we have the maximum benefits out of the funding. So today proved to be a very good example of joint working across the regions and local areas in the European Union, and we hope the joint working will continue in the future.